Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So today we have come to an incredible new development called Capri. Okay, Capri was launched over a year ago now, but they have just announced that they're going to do their third phase. So we've come here and we've been joined by the lovely Angelina. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for welcoming me.
So basically, what is exciting about this is not just the location, but what this entire development actually represents. So I've come here to give you further information with the help of Angelina, so you can learn more about Capri and be of those people who jump on this project while it's still fresh off the market. So, first of all, let's talk about the location of Capri, Angelina. What can you tell us about where we are right now?
We are in what we call for many years the new Golden Mile. So we are like 7 minutes to Puerto Venus, 10 minutes to Marbella, and also to Estepona, we will say 5 minutes drive.
5-minute drive to Estepona.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, the location really is very privileged. Then we also have quite a lot of amenities in this area. What else can we find in this area when it comes to services, for example?
We are having 2 golf courses in the area, which is La Resina, 2 minutes walking, and Los Flamingos golf course, which is just less than 15 minutes away.
Yeah, which of course is a very high-class golf course. Everyone loves the Flamingos.
That's very important as well for the clients that wants to rent, if they want to look in long-term or short-term rental.
Yeah.
We are 2 kilometers far away from the sea, and we are having a very nice and an international school called Atlas.
The Atlas American School, yes.
There's a restaurant so far because the clubhouses we are having and we can enjoy.
Yeah.
And also the restaurants next to the beach called Chiringuitos.
Yeah, we have everyone loves the Chiringuito. We also have Laguna Village just down the road, and we also have in this particular neighborhood we have the Unicorn Racket Club, which is becoming more and more popular as well. And as we know in Selwa, there's so many more developments at the moment, it's just gone a bit crazy. So yes. Capri was actually here before a lot of these new developments and has already made a name for itself. So obviously at the moment the developer for this particular project is Kronos. Okay, Kronos was established in 2015. It is a very well-established developer, and it has some very interesting things about Kronos right now. They work throughout the country and in Portugal, and right now there's over 25 new developments. But what we love about Kronos at the moment is there's actually around 7 new developments along the entire Costa del Sol, of which Capri is one of them. And Kronos is special because it also has these kind of luxury finishes. They always put a lot of work into the love of their finishing touches in their developments. At the moment, the commercial agency for which Angelina works is called
Dream Exclusive.
Yeah, what can you tell us about Dream Exclusives?
Dream Exclusives is a very well-known and very important real estate and developer in Costa del Sol since, I would say, more than 15 years already. Mm-hmm. We are bringing into the market at the moment seven different developments, and we are going to be bringing within this year another 3 more, which we are very excited to
Fantastic. Well, I'll be on top of those, coming to join you again so you can give me further information. Right, talk to me a little bit about the actual urbanization itself, Capri. Tell me about the orientation and the views that the people here would be expecting to have.
Well, the concept here was to make it obviously contemporary, but also a little bit more cozy and homey. So we will find that is located in the hill. The hill is overlooking the sea. So we are having 3 phases in total. 2 phases will compose the whole complete development in one first stage, which is going to be finally delivered at the end of this year. Okay. And then we are having a 3rd phase, which is going to be a little bit separate in terms of 24-hour security itself and closed and gated. Both of them, though, are having the same facilities, which is gymnasium, indoor pool heated, with a sauna, jacuzzi, which actually I went last week inside to see a little bit the progress of the building, and it's unbelievable, huge. It's massive and it's going to be very well
Fantastic.
Delivered.
So the views, as you said, we are pretty much east facing, but they all have lateral sea views. Initially, the 1st and 2nd phase are fully east facing, and then the 3rd phase is actually going to be slightly more northeast, isn't it? Correct?
That's right.
However, all of them are going to have that lateral sea view. And the nice thing, of course, is the fact that it's on the top of a hill, as you mentioned. So you've got the valley underneath, which basically means that there's unobstructed views. And if they are going to do construction in the future, which I highly doubt, because the area just down in front of us is actually a green zone, isn't it? Because it's actually quite close to the river. It's mainly for agricultural use, so I don't think they'll be doing further developments there. And even if they were to do them, they would not be obstructing our view. So tell me about the units. How many units are you expecting to find? Right now we have the first and second phases, which are under construction, and then we have the third phase. How many units are we going to be looking at in each of these?
The first two phases are going to be boasting 176, which is going to be one whole complete community, and the third phase, which is a separate community, it's going to be 90. So this is more like a boutique, sort of boutique resort at the end of the day, because they are going to be having their own facilities, as I mentioned before, and also the pools outside and so on.
Yeah, very nice. So initially, they're going to have they're going to share the same amenities, but they're going to be in two different communities. So at the moment, for example, where is the gym going to be located? Will there be a gym in both of these phases, or?
They are going to be different, the same facilities in both, replicated one and the other.
Okay, perfect. So it's not the case of if you live in the third phase, you'd have to come to the first or second to be able to appreciate it.
Each one
they're actually going to have their own individual.
Yep.
That's wonderful. So the amenities, you actually mentioned the amenities to me. You said there's going to be a sauna, a Turkish bath, I think.
Jacuzzi.
There's going to be an indoor jacuzzis, indoor pools, outdoor pools, I think two in total.
That's right.
And of course the gym and co-working space.
That's right.
Yeah, and also Kronos, much like other developers, now they are concentrating a lot on their landscaping as well. So the gardens will be to die for, absolutely luxurious.
And also the way they have the structures, the different areas and the height of it will allow also the company Kronos Homes to plant mature gardens and very nicely well done, dressing the whole complete area of concrete and reinforced
very
area.
nice.
So
just make it more beautiful.
So
it's nice these days that so much love goes into the landscaping, because that way, just as you walk around your own urbanization, you feel like you're already in paradise.
That's
nice little feeling.
That's the feeling we're looking for.
Typologies. Tell me a little bit about the typologies of the different sorts of apartments we're looking at.
Well, the good news here is both all the properties are facing, as you said, east, but most of them are having a terrace in the back. So that allows the families living here or enjoying their holidays, they will have directly access to the terrace in the front facade, which is going to be, as you mentioned, the sea view and also the east facing. But we are bringing also the additional after or back terrace. So that means the sunset will be bathing that area as well.
Very nice. Sunrise and sunset. The dream.
Both. So we are having the starting price is going to be for the 2-bedroom, 450.
Okay.
And in this one we have a very nice layout, which is the master and second bedroom are facing the front facade. So they
love that. Yes, it's always nice to have your main living area and your master bedroom leading onto the main terrace.
That's it. And then the 3-bedroom, which is very nice as well. A starting price with the sea views is around 600.
Right, perfect. So quite competitive prices considering what we're seeing in other developments, and also, as we know, there are still units available in the first and second phase. So these could be delivered quite soon for the price that we just mentioned. Whereas other developments are selling these prices off plan before they even start construction, which means by the time we complete it, the prices will go up quite drastically. Tell me a little bit about the finishes we're going to be looking at inside the actual Kronos development. Inside Capri in particular, what sort of finishes can we expect?
It's a medium high standard, as you mentioned before. I mean, any of the Kronos ones is bringing less than that. So we can find tiles 75 per 75.
Okay. Obviously,
we have also a show flat that we invite you and your clients to bring on, because they will see exactly what is in a live way, what is offered. But also we have what we call Kronos Select. That's make an upgrade in the finishes as well. In terms of colors, qualities, and also, for example, electric blinds, home automation system, kitchen, as all the developments nowadays is fully fitted and included. I think all the clients may require, we are here to provide.
And the bathrooms as well will be completely fully fitted?
Yes, except some touches here and there that obviously has to be complemented by the decision on the client.
Yeah, I mean the Kronos Select option is actually very nice, because They'll give you the traditional standardization, and then they'll give you those extra little touches to make it more personalized to your feel, which is very nice because most of the time they'll give you just a few options in some of these different developments, whereas Kronos actually has a little bit more of a broader selection, which is great.
Yes.
The building license. So where are we standing with the building license for the third phase? Obviously, phase 1 and phase 2 fully under construction, and we're literally about 7 months away from completion. Whereas phase 3 was the newest launch. So where are we standing?
We are looking forward to having it next month in the beginning.
Great.
So ready to
start leveling ground and start building. See, these poor workers, they thought they'd nearly finished, and we got them going again. So, so with regards to the building license, obviously the first and second phase, they have their building license because they're fully underway, and we're expecting them to be completed by
at the end of this year.
Okay, perfect. And the third phase, which has been the most recent launch, we're expecting that to be
in the middle of 2028.
So we're literally only 2 years away from having the completion of the third phase, which is great as well. And of course, how many units are we looking at? That's the most important thing, because
out of 90 for sale at the moment, we are going to be having 20 for sale.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Great. So there's still a lot of availability. We need to get in quick, especially at these prices. I think that's the majority of my questions, Angelina. To be honest with you, you've been absolutely amazing. If you guys would like more information with regards to this particular project, don't hesitate getting in touch. And of course, I will be bringing out more videos on new developments, location and lifestyle. And you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll be able to provide you with further information on all these things. And first of all, I'd very much like to thank Angelina for her time.
Welcome. Thank you to you to be here.
It's been an absolute pleasure, and I hope to come back soon with all of you lovely people who are interested in the project as spectacular as this one. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you, Angelina.
Oh, that's very nice.